Good morning, students. Now let's discuss some of the important questions based on oxidizing and reducing properties of D and F plug elements and based on their standard electrode potentials. The first question is, why is Cr2 plus reducing and Mn3 plus oxidizing when both have D4 configurations? Now, if Cr2 plus is reducing, that means it is getting oxidized. Oxidized means it is getting oxidized means it must be changing to a stable configuration. So you have to find out whether it is changing to a stable configuration or not. Now let's start. Cr2 plus. It is said, it is written here reducing in nature. Reducing means it must be getting oxidized. So it will change to Cr3 plus and 1 electron. The atomic number of chromium is 24, configuration 3d5, 4s1 for chromium. If it is losing 2 electrons, the configuration is d4. Here it is losing one more electron, it is changing to d3. D3 it is T2G3 configuration and it is a stable configuration in aqueous solution due to high crystal field stabilizing energy. See the second one, Mn3 plus changing to Mn2 plus. It is oxidizing in nature. Oxidizing means it is getting reduced. So it will gain an electron, it will change to Mn2 plus. Configuration is again D4 because Mn has 3d5 4s1 configuration. 3 electrons removed means it will be 3d5 4s2. 3 electrons removed means D4 configuration. It will change to D5. Both these configurations are a stable configuration. So Cr2 plus is reducing in nature because it easily lose one electron to form a stable T2G3 configuration of Cr3 plus. Mn3 plus is a strong oxidizing in nature because it easily gains an electron, get reduced and form stable D5 configuration of Mn2 plus. Second question is, E0 for Mn3 plus to Mn2 plus couple is more positive than that for Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus. Now let's compare their E0 values. You have to just check whether they will form a stable configuration or not. Mn3 plus, it is changing to Mn2 plus, means it is gaining one electron and it is getting reduced. Configuration D4, it is changing to D5 configuration. Just check for Fe3 plus. Atomic number of iron is 26. So configuration is for Fe, it is 3d6 4s2. 3 electrons removed means D5 configuration. It is written here, it is getting reduced and it is forming Fe2 plus. It is changing to D6. Now which of them is more stable? Obviously D5 configuration. So a metal ion will not prefer to change from a stable configuration to an unstable configuration. So its value will be less. Whereas Mn3 plus is changing to a stable configuration. So it will easily gain one electron and it will change to Mn2 plus. So you have to check whether it is changing to a stable configuration or not and you can find out. Now let's take another question. E0 value for Sc3 plus to S2 plus is very low. Now you can easily answer this question. It is low means Sc in 3 plus oxidation state has less tendency to get reduced to Sc2 plus scandium. Sc is scandium. It has less tendency means this configuration is more stable. So it has 3d0 configuration. It is a stable configuration and it has less tendency to get reduced to Sc2 plus. So the value is quite low. Another question we will take, the E0 value for Zn2 plus to Zn. It is highly negative value. Highly negative value. Highly negative because Zn2 plus has a stable configuration of 3d10. So If the left hand side species is more stable, it will have less tendency to get reduced and the value will be less positive or it will be negative. But if the right hand side species is more stable, it will have high tendency to get reduced and the value will be highly positive. Thank you.